Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can get your tires looking brand new. And it doesn't matter if your tires are 5 years old or 20 years old, this will work either way. Okay, so what you would need to do is rinse off the tire with water and let it dry. And then put a protectant on the tire. There's different kinds of protectant you can use. One I have here is called 303. It works good to protect against the sun. You can use it on plastic and rubber. Right here, these front tires are around probably 15 years old. The tires actually don't look too bad, but I'll do one tire so that way you can see the difference of the before and after. Okay, this is the left tire that I just rinsed off. As you can tell, it does look better, but it still doesn't really look new. You can tell the water doesn't really just rinse off everything. Okay, so now at this point, this is where you'd want to spray the protectant on here, all over your tire. I'm using the 303 one, but like I said, you can use other ones. There's other kinds out there. And then once you have your tire all sprayed, I actually still have to spray the other side of it, but just so you can kind of see what happens is once you get it all over the tire, you just, when you wipe it, anything that didn't rinse off will just wipe right off. And it'll leave your tire looking brand new and shiny. Okay, here's the tire after it's done. And this is how it looked before. So here's the before and after. And this tire is not wet. That's how it comes out when you're done wiping it down. I had to turn off the camera because I needed both my hands. And it'll probably take a few minutes. If you want to help protect your tires from the sun, I would recommend using this stuff. Or if you're planning to sell your vehicle, this stuff would also be good to use to help it look a bit nicer. If there's other stuff you guys have tried, leave it in the comments and let me know. I'm not sponsored by this brand. This is just what I have tried and it seems to work good. I forgot there was one more pair of tires I wanted to show you an example on. I'm not sure how old these tires are, but you can tell the difference between the right and left, where the left one is the after I had used the protectant on it. It pretty much looks brand new compared to how it looked before. But both of these tires are the same age and the same tire. Thanks again and leave your thoughts in the comments.